Welcome to UXL, where you can learn new skills anytime and anywhere. Visit uxl.com to explore our full course selection. This lesson is part of a larger course. Check the video description below for a link to the full course where you can enroll. If you enjoy our content, please like and subscribe. For your convenience, the course cover displayed on your screen provides the complete course title and lesson title. Let's proceed with the lesson. Lesson: Heat Illness Prevention Requirements. Heat illness prevention is a critical component of workplace health and safety, particularly in environments where employees are exposed to high temperatures. In California, stringent regulations are in place to protect workers from the dangers of heat-related illnesses. Understanding these regulations is essential for HR professionals, especially those seeking to master the PHRca certification. This lesson delves into the requirements for preventing heat illness, providing a detailed and comprehensive overview of the necessary measures, relevant statistics, and practical examples to ensure compliance and safeguard employee health. Employers in California are mandated by the California Division of Occupational Safety and Health to implement a heat illness prevention program. This requirement is codified in Title 8, Section 3395 of the California Code of Regulations. The regulation applies to all outdoor places of employment and specifies several key components that employers must incorporate into their heat illness prevention plans. One of the primary requirements is the provision of water. Employers must ensure that employees have access to potable drinking water, with a minimum of 1 quart per employee per hour for the entire shift. This measure is crucial because dehydration is a significant risk factor for heat illness. Studies have shown that adequate hydration can markedly reduce the incidence of heat-related conditions. Employers are required to place water as close as practicable to the areas where employees are working to encourage frequent consumption. Shade is another critical element in heat illness prevention. Employers must provide shade when the temperature exceeds 80 degrees Fahrenheit. The shade must be sufficient to accommodate all employees on recovery or rest periods and those on-site taking meal periods. Providing shade helps lower the body temperature and reduce the risk of heat exhaustion and heat stroke. The effectiveness of shade in mitigating heat stress has been well documented in occupational health research, highlighting its importance in maintaining safe working conditions. High heat procedures are required when temperatures reach or exceed 95 degrees Fahrenheit. During these conditions, employers must implement additional measures, such as ensuring effective communication with employees, observing employees for signs of heat illness, and reminding employees to drink water frequently. These procedures are essential for early detection and prevention of heat-related illnesses, which can escalate rapidly if not addressed promptly. Real-time monitoring and proactive communication can significantly enhance the effectiveness of heat illness prevention efforts. Training is a cornerstone of heat illness prevention. Employers must provide training to all employees and supervisors on the risks of heat illness, the importance of hydration and shade, and the procedures to follow in case of an emergency. Effective training programs have been shown to improve compliance with safety protocols and reduce the incidence of workplace injuries. Training should be conducted in a language and manner that employees can understand, ensuring that all workers are equipped with the knowledge necessary to protect themselves and their coworkers. The implementation of an effective heat illness prevention program requires a comprehensive approach that includes planning, training, monitoring, and continuous improvement. Employers must develop and implement written procedures for complying with the heat illness prevention regulations. These procedures should detail how water and shade will be provided, the high heat procedures, emergency response protocols, and the training program. Regular review and updating of the program are essential to address any changes in working conditions or regulations. The importance of heat illness prevention is underscored by the statistics on heat-related fatalities and illnesses. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, an average of 702 heat-related deaths occur annually in the United States, with outdoor workers being particularly vulnerable. In California, data from CalOSHA indicate that heat illness is a significant concern, with numerous incidents reported each year, especially in industries such as agriculture, construction, and landscaping. These statistics highlight the critical need for effective heat illness prevention programs to protect workers' health and safety. Employers who fail to comply with the heat illness prevention regulations may face significant penalties. CalOSHA has the authority to issue citations and fines for non-compliance, which can be substantial. Beyond regulatory penalties, employers also face the risk of increased workers' compensation claims, reduced productivity, and potential legal liability if employees suffer heat-related illnesses due to inadequate preventive measures. Therefore, investing in a robust heat illness prevention program is not only a regulatory requirement, but also a sound business practice that can yield long-term benefits. Practical examples of successful heat illness prevention programs can provide valuable insights for employers. For instance, a large agricultural company in California implemented a comprehensive heat illness prevention program that included providing cooling vests to workers, installing mobile shade structures in the fields, and using real-time weather monitoring systems to anticipate and respond to heat waves. As a result, the company reported a significant reduction in heat-related incidents and improved overall worker satisfaction and productivity. This example illustrates how innovative solutions and a proactive approach can enhance the effectiveness of heat illness prevention efforts. In conclusion, preventing heat illness is a critical aspect of workplace safety, particularly in outdoor environments. California's heat illness prevention regulations set forth clear requirements for employers to protect their employees from the dangers of excessive heat. By providing adequate water and shade, implementing high heat procedures, conducting thorough training, and developing comprehensive written procedures, employers can significantly reduce the risk of heat-related illnesses. The importance of these measures is underscored by the potential consequences of non-compliance, including regulatory penalties, increased workers' compensation claims, and legal liability. Effective heat illness prevention programs not only ensure regulatory compliance, but also promote a safe and healthy work environment, ultimately benefiting both employees and employers. This concludes the lesson. We trust you found this video informative and engaging. To enroll in the complete course, please use the link provided in the description below. At UExcel, we are committed to your learning journey. Each course offers a certificate of completion, online support, and downloadable resource files to enhance your experience. If you found our content valuable, we invite you to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to supporting your continued pursuit of knowledge.